Hi everyone, so I'm going to make almond milk and I'm like, let me just record it for my YouTube page. So normally we will use this almond milk, we get it from Kruger, but as soon as I'm always watching out when I see that almonds are cheaper, I will just go and grab them and just make my own almond milk. So I got some really good almonds at a good price and I just bought a lot. So I'm going to make almond milk for some time, like, yeah. So let's go make almond milk. It's always good to make things by yourself if the price is reasonable. There are some things that I do not care the price. I will never buy from the store because the health is like the cost for me to use it is just too much. It's not gonna cost me money, but my health is at stake. But so there are some things too that I can just compromise. If I cannot afford it, then I will not eat it. That's it. If it's going to hurt me. Okay, let me not give you a sermon. Let's go make almond milk. Alright, so in here I have 4 cups of almonds, and the water measurement is usually 2 to 3 cups to a cup of almonds, but in here I use less water because of the max liquid. So once I strain, I'm going to dilute it with more water. So just note that the water that you need is 1 cup to 2 to 3 cups of water. Okay, so these almonds, I soak them overnight. I always like to soak my nuts and grains. Sometimes I will even sprout them, and I'll do a video about how I do soak and sprout. Alright, so this is the end product. Now we are going to strain it through a nut milk bag. If you have a juicer, you can use it. So I'm using this mesh bag. And voila, we have our homemade almond milk. It is so nice, creamy, richer than what you buy in the store. I love it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.